my friend family, hope you guys are good. And amnesty season is here, and alhamdulillah, amnesty has made my office more hotter. Hotter with the IDs. And now today, the ID over here is with Josephine. Josephine, congratulations. Thank you so much for the trust.
I'm sorry.
And you're happy, yes, okay. Can you open this up and then say something?
I'm super happy, really. Thank you so much. The Trusted African Advisor. Wow.
You're welcome.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
I understand it's like getting your degree after all these examinations.
Oh wow, I couldn't believe it, but finally my ID is here. Wow.
You can take it off and then at least you don't want to take it off. So people show you got the ID.
Okay guys, this is my ID through his office, and hi to everyone. Firstly, my name is Mulimtia Banage. If you have any problem concerning your visa, just come to his